In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot. Whether you're new to this tool or just looking to enhance your communication strategy, learning how to build custom email templates can significantly streamline your workflow. So, let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll want to access HubSpot and make your way over to the templates section. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head to the CRM area of the platform. Here, you'll need to select Message Templates. It's a one-stop shop for all things related to email templates and where our journey begins today. Moving forward, it's time to create a new template. Look for the plus New Template button and give it a click. You'll be presented with an option to build your email template from scratch or to choose a pre-designed setup. For those of you looking to exercise full creative control and customize every detail to meet your specific needs, select From Scratch. Now that you've set the stage, let's focus on entering the details of your template. Begin by giving your template a clear and descriptive name. This will help you easily identify and manage your templates in the future. Next, craft a compelling subject line for your email. HubSpot recommends keeping it concise, ideally under 45 characters, to ensure it captures attention effectively. With the subject line ready, it's time to dive into the main content of your email. Compose your message using the editor's formatting options. You can employ bold and italics to emphasize important points, ensuring your email is both informative and engaging. To further refine your email, use the formatting toolbar to customize its appearance. Change the font styles and sizes to match your brand aesthetic or to highlight specific information. Alignment options are available as well, so feel free to experiment and find a layout that best conveys your message. If your email needs to direct readers to additional resources, you can insert hyperlinks to guide them elsewhere. Lastly, don't forget to add some visual flair by including images. You can resize these images to fit naturally into your email and even link them to other pages for added interactivity. Once you've crafted and fine-tuned your email template to your satisfaction, it's important to save your work. Simply click Save Template to store your creation safely in your HubSpot library. For those working in teams or sharing responsibilities, you have the option to keep your template private or share it with specific users or teams. Now, when you're ready to use your newly created template, navigate to the Marketing section, then select Email. From there, click on Create Email and choose the type of email you want to send, whether it's regular or automated. Select your template from the library and customize the content further if necessary before sending it out to your desired recipients. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create efficient and professional email templates in HubSpot. Happy emailing?